Welcome to At Home with Music. Leon Olguin here. We've been studying seventh chords, how to find them on the keyboard, how to play them in different inversions, and we're going to take everything that we've learned now about playing chords, seventh chords, triad chords, and we're going to apply that to a particular song. Since it's going to be New Year's Eve pretty soon, I thought it would be good to use a song that everybody knows, and you've probably heard it before. Everybody likes to sing this song as the clock strikes midnight and we usher in the new year. So what I'm going to show you in this video is how to play this song, and we're going to play the melody with our right hand, and we're going to play chords in the left hand. So anyway, I'm going to switch to the overhead camera now and show you how to play Auld Lang Syne. Okay, as you look at the lead sheet for this particular song, you'll notice we're in the key of F. We are also in 4/4 time, and we have a pickup note. And let's play through the chords first. We're starting out with F major, and then we're going to C7. Now we could play it this way, but it would actually be easier to go from F in root position to C7 first inversion. You see how your hand doesn't have to move too far. So we go F, 2, 3, 4, C7, 2, 3, F, 2, 3, 4, and then to go to B flat, you can play it in second inversion. Your hand doesn't have to move very far. Then back to F, F, 2, 3, 4, back to the C7, and then F, B flat, C, or you could play a C7 there, F. So you can see we only have a few chords in this song, but when you get down to the last few bars, and we're going to jump down to the fourth measure from the end, we have F, then we have the C7 again, and now we're going to go to D minor, and then to get to B flat, you only have to move your thumb up one note, then C7 and F. Now I know you're very familiar with the melody, so I'm not going to worry about that right now. Let's play this now with both hands. And we're going to play a chord at the beginning of each measure. B flat in second inversion. Now here, what we're going to end up doing, since the D, we're just going to play F and B flat in the left hand, and then jump down here, and then back to F. So before we were playing these chords, but now the melody, so to keep our hands from crashing together, we will just play two notes in the bass. And now we come back. Now watch what happens here. We're going to substitute a D minor, and we're playing the B flat chord in first inversion. And then since the melody is C, which is part of the C7 chord, we'll only play these three notes in the left hand, and then back to F. Now, we can avoid the crashing together of hands by playing the melody up here. That's one of the beauties of playing from a lead sheet like this, is you can pretty much do it any way you want. So we can play the melody up here. Sounds just as good. Whoops. Now, if you want to get fancy, we can play the chords on every other beat, on beats 1 and 3. Actually, sounds a little better. That's one way to do it. Now, there is no rule that says you have to always play block chords. We could actually break the chord up, and it would sound something like this. There you play the block chord. In other words, you can mess around with this and do anything that sounds good to you. That's my rule for playing from a lead sheet like this. If it sounds good, it is good. So I hope this will give you something to start with. Maybe if you're at a New Year's Eve party, you'll be able to play this if there happens to be a keyboard around, and you can impress your friends that way. Anyway, thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please be sure to leave those in the comment section. I answer every comment I receive as far as I am able. And I will talk to you in the next one.